Passing forearm pass. The forearm pass also collide the bump. It is a basic volleyball skills used to receive and control the ball by the connecting it with the forearm. It is mainly used to receive, serve, or return the ball after the attack, directing it accurately to teammate, usually the setter, to being an offensive play. This technique requires proper body position, straight arms, and control movement to ensure accurate and effective passing. Passing forearm pass. First, the player must get into a ready position with feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent in, body leaning forward for balance. Next, and hands are joined together while the arms are kept straight to form platform using the forearms. The player should then face the target, usually the center, to guide the reaction of the pass. When the ball approaches, it should make contact with the forearm, not the hands, while the player uses the straight of the legs to gently push the ball upward instead of swinging the arms in control. Follow through help directly the ball in actually in maintain balance after contact. Prepares the player form the next movement. Practicing the step improves accuracy, control, in overall performance into volleyball.